Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm at CVS and let me show you what I'm going to pick up this week. The first thing I'm picking up this week, I'm picking up both the Garnier Fructis and the Garnier Whole Blends. Now, they are the same deal but two separate promotions, so you can do both of them. They are on sale 2 for $8. When you buy two, you're going to get a $2 extra buck. So I'm going to pick up 2 of each. I have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that will glitch with a 3 off of 2 paper coupon, which will bring my final cost down to $2 for each. I will get back $2 in extra bucks for each, final cost completely free. So these 4 items will total me $16. I have $6 in digital coupons, I have $6 in paper coupons, and then I also have a $2 off to any Garnier hair care CRT, as well as a 3 off 15 Garnier hair care CRT. So I actually have $17 in coupons, so that'll make this completely free. I'll get $4 in extra bucks back, final cost a $4 profit. The next deal I'm going to pick up is on the Garnier facial care. They're on sale, buy one get one 40% off, buy two get a $5 extra buck. I wanted to grab 2 of these scrubs, however they don't have them, so I'm going to grab 1 of these scrubs for $8.49, and then I'm also going to grab 1 of these micellar waters for $10.99. Okay, so both of these products are going to total me $16.08. I have a 5 off 2 paper coupon that will glitch with a $2 digital coupon. I also have a 2 off 10 Garnier CRT and then a $3 off any skincare CRT. That'll leave me to pay $4.08, getting back a $5 extra buck, final cost free, and a 92-cent moneymaker. Now here's a deal I've really been looking forward to because we don't get a lot of good deal on FEBREZE fabric spray. So I'm going to be working on the deal that is spend 25, get 8. These guys are included. I'm so excited. I'm going to go ahead and pick up 3 FEBREZE fabric sprays, and then I'm going to head over here and I'm going to pick up 2 of these FEBREZE plugs. All of these items are going to total me $26.96. I have 1 digital $2.30 off 1 for the FEBREZE fabric spray and a $2.30 off 1 digital for the FEBREZE plug. I also have these paper coupons that will attach to the other ones I don't have digital coupons for. They are expired, however my store accepts expired coupons up to 14 days. That'll leave me to pay $15.46 out of pocket, getting back $8 in extra bucks, final cost $7.46 or $1.49 each, which is really good, especially for these big fabric sprays. Select General Mills are on sale for $1.99 each. I'm going to pick up 2, bringing my total to $3.98. I have a digital coupon for $1 off 2, leaving me to pay $2.98 out of pocket. Then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back for both boxes, bringing my final cost to $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I'm going to work on is this Nivea body wash deal. They're on sale. When you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 extra buck. I'm going to pick up 2 of these for $6.99. I'm going to use this $4 off 2 paper coupon. That'll leave me to pay $9.98, getting back a $5 extra buck. Final cost $4.98 or $2.49 each. Decent price, but I've seen better. Okay everyone, so I am back home. Here is my final haul for today. I went ahead and did that spend 25 deal on the FEBREZE items twice on 2 different accounts. This ended up being over $120 worth of items, and my final cost ended up being around $17, which is a little more expensive than my final cost usually is. However, I did splurge on the FEBREZE fabric sprays because, like I said, we don't get a lot of deals on those, so I regret nothing. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more couponing content.